हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, आज आपण पुन्हा एन्व्हायरमेंट स्टडीबद्दल MCQ क्वेश्चन पाहणार आहेत. MCQ सेट 1.3 that is from the environmental study. The course outcome of this topic that is to develop the public awareness about the environment. Now let's start. Know the few MCQ questions of the environmental topics. Question number 31. The exchange of outgoing and incoming radiation that keep the earth warm is known as, that process called as a greenhouse effect. Question number 32. Environmental degradation is due to, we know that environment degradation takes place due to the rapid industrialization, deforestation, and also by the growing of urbanization. That's why the answer of this question is all of above. Question number 33. The greenhouse gases effect on the earth atmosphere is increased by, that is mostly, that is by burning of fossil fuels. Whatever we have to be used the that is petrol, diesel, or petroleum, oils or coals, after the burning says they are produce the gases that causes the greenhouse effects. Next questions 34, that is if atmosphere doesn't act like greenhouse, the temperature of earth would becomes. समजा ग्रीन हाऊस सारखं आपल्याला जर का इफेक्ट नसेल तर का होऊ शकेल? आन्सर असणार आहे टू कोल्ड टू सर्वाइव्ह, म्हणजे टेम्परेचर सडनली आपलं काय कमी होणार आहे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 35. द वेव्स दॅट पासेस थ्रू द ग्लास वॉल ऑफ द ग्रीन हाऊसेस आर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ इन्फ्रारेड वेव्हच्या मार्फत तो पास होतात, हे लक्षात ठेवायचं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 36. Global warming effect dash dash, that is the, we know the global warming that is related to the temperature. That's what temperature of the globe हा त्याचा इफेक्ट जाणणार आहे, होणार आहे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 37. The gases that contributes to greenhouse effect on the earth are in order of greatest to the smallest in importance मध्ये, त्यामध्ये सर्वात महत्त्वाचा कॉन्ट्रीब्युशन असणारा सर्वात जास्त म्हणजे वॉटर, दॅट इज वॉटर क्लाउड इज दॅर. नेक्स्ट कार्बन डायऑक्साईडचा असणार आहे. नेक्स्ट मिथेन, हा आपल्याला त्या चार्टमध्ये देखील दाखवण्याचा प्रयत्न केला पाहिजे. दिस इज चार्ट ऑफ दिस. यस, वॉटर वेपर दे आर कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट 55%, क्लाउड दॅट इज अबाउट द 17% अँड 28% दॅट इज अदर गॅसेस, म्हणजे त्यामध्ये मिथेन असेल, कार्बन डायऑक्साईड, हे सर्व गॅसेस त्यामध्ये येणार आहेत. नेक्स्ट 38 क्वेश्चन. द ऑर्डर ऑफ atmosphere layers starting from the closest to the surface to the top of the atmospheres. We know that whatever the atmospheres around us, that sphere is called as a tropospheres, that is just near to the earth surface, and next level that is called as stratospheres, mesospheres, and troposphere. That's why answer B is correct. 39 questions. By how much has the atmospheric carbon dioxide concentrated increases even the since in the industrial revolutions? It is about the 20%, that is atmospheric carbon dioxide is increases after the industrializations. Next questions. Which is the most abundant greenhouse gases in the atmosphere? That is just what we see in the chart, that is according to that, yes, water vapor is there. WHO stand for dash dash, that is known as World Health Organizations. That is one of the important organizations that is regarding the health. Diarrhea is the dash dash, the brown borne diseases. हा प्रकारचा डिसीज कोणामुळे होतो? दॅट इज ड्यू टू द डर्टी वॉटर. UN suggests the dash dash quantity of the safe water per day per person, for it may be drinking, washing, or whatever may the purposes who have to be use the water. तो जवळपास आपल्याला 20 ते 50 लिटर लागणार आहे, हे आपल्याला लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे फॉर द पर पर्सनसाठी. ए ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन्स. Plants are valuable resources for the many, that is dash dash. One is as vegetables, fruits, along with the medicine. That's why the answer of this question is C, both above options. Next question. Environmental awareness start with ॲट इंडिव्हिज्युअल लेवल इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टन्स. आपल्याला जर का त्या एन्व्हायरमेंटबद्दल जागरूकता नसेल तर आपलं इंडिव्हिज्युअल लेवलचं मध्ये आणणं खूप गरजेचं आहे. नेक्स्ट 46 क्वेश्चन. पब्लिक अवेअरनेस टू प्रोटेक्ट द एन्व्हायरमेंट वुड स्प्रेड not at individual level, human level, children, but and the societies is there. To protect the wild species, that is parks helps, that is national parks helps to protect the wildlife animals. Is the better than cures. That is all of you know, that is prevention is better than cures. The Mr. Sundarlal Bahuguna headed the popular movement that is known as Chipko movement. Andolan is there. It's a very famous Andolan that was organized by the Sundarlal Bahugunas. Next, last question is a Sardar Sarovar projected is in dash state, that is known as Gujarat state is there. Thank yous.